Kids Storybooks. Subscribe. The Lion King. Once upon a time, in the heart of the jungle, there lived a young lion named Leo. Leo wasn't like the other lion cubs. He was born with a shimmering golden mane that sparkled in the sunlight. His parents, King Simba and Queen Nala, were overjoyed, believing it was a sign of something special. As Leo grew, so did his curiosity about the world around him. He would spend hours exploring the vast savanna, making friends with the zebras, elephants, and even the mischievous monkeys. But Leo's heart longed for something more. One day, as the sun painted the sky in hues of pink and orange, Leo heard a gentle voice carried by the wind. "Leo, my child, your golden mane is a gift. Use it to bring unity and harmony to the kingdom." With newfound purpose, Leo set out to bring the animals together. He organized a grand gathering where all creatures, big and small, came together to share stories and laughter. The once divided jungle became a place of friendship and joy. And so, with his golden mane shining bright, Leo became not just the Lion King, but the king of all the animals, spreading love and unity throughout the magical jungle. And they all lived happily ever after.